How is that? Do you like plums? Plummies? Are plummies good? Yeah. Mommy should have a plummie too? Okay, I'll get a plummie. Are you sure you want me to have one?
Mommy.
What do you need me to do? I should get a plummie. Okay. Thank you for sharing your plummies with me. How many plummies do you like to eat every day? Hey, Charlie, how many plummies did you have today? 2? How old are you going to be on your birthday? 2. That's great, honey. Wonderful. What, babe? Don't eat the pit, okay? That's a good plummie. I love you. Can you say love you? Love you. Plummie. All right, I love you. Bye-bye. Cheese. Hi. How are you? Can you show Mommy how you go on a trip?
No.
Show me how you go on a trip. Cheese. Okay, show me how you go on a trip. Bye-bye. Have fun on your trip. Bye-bye. He's going on a trip. Bye-bye. Hey, where'd Charlie go? Hey, there he is. How was your trip? Did you have a fun trip? Good job, honey. Can you say, I love you? I love you too.
I got it.
Are you going to get the kite?
Kite. That's the guy. Just need a little more breeze again, don't we, Charlie? Kind of standing on the wrong side of the buildings, for one thing.
Are you flying a kite, Charlie?
I hear some wind blowing.
Here it goes.
Let me with the tail now.
He's got it. Here it goes. Watch it go in the air, honey. He's got it.
You got it. Thanks, buddy.
I try.
Don't get tangled up. I think you're making a mess here, bud. Okay, stop running for a minute, Charlie. Wait a minute.
I think you're stuck, honey.
Here, wait, stop. Wait a minute, Charlie. You're getting all tangled. Here, step out of it. Wait a minute. Okay, put it down and then step out. Maybe it'll just
Flying a kite is hard work.
Okay, don't touch it again for a minute. Okay, step your feet out of the tail. There we go.
You still have one foot.
Still got it on one foot.
Man, this is really hard work. Did you get it, honey?
There we go. There.
There. Now you can watch it fly. Hey, dirt.
Okay, just a second. Well, now we're out of wind again.
At least he caught it.
We got them all.
Hey, Jordan, you want a cake? I'd do it. Here he comes again. Your head wet. Wow!
Oh, you gotta watch where you're going, honey. He's okay. He's okay.
Woohoo! Here he comes again. Oh no!
Is Grandpa getting you?
Get in there.
Go get wet.
Wow!
Hi, Pumpkin. You can get in wet. You can get wet. Go on, Grandpa.
Wow!
Ready? Set.
Happy birthday, honey.
Charlie's happy birthday! Are you two? Happy birthday, Charlie!
How old are you, Charlie?
Are you two?
Two? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
He gets a happy birthday hug.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Yay. Happy birthday. Go get Grandpa.
It's your
Happy birthday. Look, I got another bite of birthday pizza for you.
Wait until we get this lit though.
Here, Dad, you want
You okay? Here, I'll go. Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you.
Just pretend you blew it out.
All right, we're gonna do it one more time. You get to blow out your candle, okay?
Mother Nature blew it out.
Is that a toy, Thomas?
Go on, why?
That's a bad toy.
You can eat it. It's made out of candy.
No, that Thomas is a
This isn't gonna work.
toy.
I'll just see one of them try to see if this one works.
Just pretend that you blew it out, Charlie.
We'll try to get it going so you can blow it out, Charlie.
Dad, pick the candle up.
That'd be too smart.
There, okay.
Blow it out.
Yay!
Good job, Charlie.
Great! Good job, honey. Should we
Too much part of you gonna have.
Blow it out. Good job, Charlie.
Good job, honey. Should we
Too much part of you gonna have.
Charlie, do you want to eat your
Way to go, Charlie.
You want to take Thomas off there? Here, Charlie, should we take Thomas off?
No, I want to light it again.
Charlie, do you want to help Daddy
ahead
put
and light
the
it.
Finger in there.
Come on, Charlie.
Charlie, come here. I'll help you. He just wants to drink.
Can't help him.
If he
Can't
was on the
help
other
him.
side, it'd be best.
Look out! He's going to
Charlie, come up here and get on your bottom and push it.
But not that way.
A sand ball.
Sandball.
Hey, Charlie, do you like your new sandbox?
Tell Mom about it.
Can you tell me about your sandbox? Did Daddy build it for you?
Show Mom your paw print.
Hey, paw print. Are you making paw prints? Can you tell Daddy thank you for the sandbox and give him a hug and a kiss?
Buddy. Or you're welcome, or whatever that was for. A slobbery sand kiss.
That's nice.
What's next? Is it tractor drive? Ready? What's next? A forklift. Forklift goes up and down? big yellow dump truck. The dump truck goes up. Oh, let's do the crane. Where's the crane? Whoa! He goes down and he picks up something from the back of the truck. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, a cranky. See all the guys in the back? See all the workers? Building a big building, aren't they?
Hey, a super truck.
Do this one. Pull this back. What's in there? A concrete mixer. There's a concrete truck right here.
Charlie, do you love your new book? The end.
You, my friend, need to change your